Hello, everyone. This is Lorelia Brown-Phillips, and today coming to you with another video for one of my clients. This is a video testimonial from one of my clients, Tangela. So recently, just yesterday, Tangela, she is a business professional and new real estate investor. So she came to me looking to secure and access business funding. And so yesterday, she just got her pre-approval from one of the lenders. And I will let her share just so I'm clear. Was it 80 or 85, Tangela?
80.
80. Okay. So $80,000. So Tangela, how do you feel?
Excited, overwhelmed, nervous, but it was a blessing. Did not had any idea I would qualify for that much, but it's wonderful.
Okay. Just so people know, just to give you a background story. So when I first met Tangela, she was very hesitant with my ability to help her. Because as I say in a lot of my videos here on YouTube, I always talk about, the road that people, have people to believe that you have to go to get funding, which is the net 30, the vendor trade lines and all that stuff. And she, said to me, as she, oh, Miss Lorelia, I did those things. And, how is it, what is it that you do that's going to be different? I told her, rest assured that, I know you've been through that, but that's not going to get you to where you, want to, where you want to get to in terms of funding. Because the people that I help them get 5 figures in funding, $50,000 and more. So I just want you to share with everyone, did you have to do any of those things with me to get the funding?
Not at all. Did
Exactly.
not. No net 30s, no Duns and Bradstreet.
No paydex scores.
None. None. It was very simple. Previous experience, I had to jump through hoops and do this, do that, buy this, buy that. Nothing. It was very easy. I followed your steps, went through everything as you said, no surprises. Everything was cookie cut, black and white.
And nothing illegal. Everything we did was legal.
Everything was legal.
Yeah.
Everything. Everything. And it was a educational moment, as well as it was a great experience. It was painless. I am still learning, but the fact that the program laid out step by step, you can't go wrong. You can't fail. It's a win-win situation.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I definitely receive that. I definitely receive that. If someone is on the fence and they're hesitant about, moving forward, what advice would you give them? Because a lot of people, they feel like, well, are these real people? And I tell you, these are real people, real testimonials, real clients. What advice would you give that person?
Take the leap of faith.
Thank you.
And that's what I did. I took the leap of faith with confirmation, looking at the testimonials, Googling Miss Lorelia. I did my homework. I watched several videos. I compared my experience with other testimonials, and she gives so many updates, and all the videos that I watch, and I can say I watched at least 50.
Wow.
And I questioned her in my interview, and it brought such a peace. I was like, I can't lose.
Thank you.
I couldn't lose, but I had no idea I would come out this much of a big winner.
Thank you. And just so people know, one of the things that Miss Tangela had expressed to me when her and I first, met in our first meeting consult, is that, she had a timeline of her wanting to be able to purchase real estate. And I told her, I said, if you're coachable, I can definitely help you meet that timeline. And I would say, we're definitely on the road to that, because
Yes.
now I guess, and I don't want to speak, for you, but doesn't it feel good to know that, you have options in terms of, because
Yes.
this Tangela is looking at a few real estate strategies on what it
Yes.
is that she wants to do and how she's going to leverage, business funding, business credit, so I mean, how does that make you feel, knowing that you can do that?
I can relax because I had a goal. We went through the training and superseded the goal by almost 2 months. So it makes me feel empowered to know that I not only have leverage, but I can go in with already being financed. So I can make money moves as well as property moves, and I won't have any delays. I am now set up strategically to do what I want effectively as well as when I want to, and beat my own goal. So I am not only empowered, but I have knowledge. And I also have the strategies backing me up, meaning that I have a choice to do anything, what I want, when I want, and how I want to do it. Because of my mentorship and following the program, I have been set up for success. As I said, it's a win-win. Can't lose.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that. I thank you. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. I'm glad I had the opportunity to meet with you and work with you. And and I'm going to continue this relationship, because that's one thing.
Yes.
When, I met with Miss Tangela, she said, well, I just want to know that, once we get to working, is this going to be just like, wham, bam, will I said, no, no, no. We will have an ongoing, relationship. So thank
Yes.
you for that. And I'm so glad that, I have been part of, one of your advisors to assist you with getting, the money. Like you said, you can make money moves now, because what most
Yes.
people do is they have somewhat like a wish list. They know they want to do it, but they don't have all the pieces together. And I'm so glad that you strategically plan things, got the right people in place. And I'm glad that I was able to be, part of your chess play. So thank
Yes.
you. Thank you so much, Tangela. If you're watching this video and you're someone that may be similar to Tangela, you want to get started in real estate, you want to leverage, business credit and get 5 figures or more in funding, $50,000 or more. I don't work with everyone, but I do, always recommend, if you want to have a conversation, we can, talk a little bit about your business and how I may be able to help you. And you can go to www.helpmegetbizcredit.com. So thank you.
Thank you.